Hey, Mike, run here. Mike, run here. Mike. Come on, George. Come on, George. Let's go, George. Let's go, George. George, my speed, ma'am. George, my speed, ma'am. Thank you, George. Energy, energy, energy. Fearless. Fearless. Gym talk. No talk. Let's go, George. Let's go. Fearless. Fearless. Get him. Let's go. Yeah, man. Fearless. Come on, George. Come on, George. Hey, George. Come on, George! Come on, George! Let's go, George! Come on, George! Hey, let's go, Fearless!
That's right. I told my mom I was going to class and then I took 2 weeks. You went to show your mommy you're going to be a play these the first one to lose. Now you're going to go home disappointed. I was the pink team is mad. I lost, yo. Where's the video? Good talk. You can't be a loser, brother. Do better this time. Do better this time. Number one. Niggas got drafted, you heard? Alright, man. Let's see, man. Chips, you know, championship, man. Easy lifts to the label, easy lifts to the world. I appreciate my team. I want y'all to know this shit too easy. We came to show y'all that shit really easy, man. Just spreading the love, spreading the culture at the end of the day. But don't forget, beat the back. No ego lifting, just easy lifts, man. Type in. Appreciate y'all. Much love. Easy lift. 3.
Gymtalkornotalk.
You want to do that again? Record? Hold up.
Yeah.
Easy lift is having a